In this video, we show how to replace the cover on a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the cover, rotate the lock to the unlock position, then lift the latch, and then lift the cover off the system. To install the cover, align and lower it onto the system, then lower the latch, and then rotate the lock to the lock position. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.